you're watching combined review of currency and commodity market on the ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Nidachina. Both euro and the US dollar were pressured by the fundamental data last week. The greenback closed out the week on the downbeat note, falling against a basket of major currencies. The ICE index dropped by 0.9% to 94.12 points. On Friday, the indicator lost more than 1%. The euro was also under pressure on Friday amid the concerns on Greek possible default. At the end of the trading session, Euro-USD went down to 1.1352. However, at the end of the week, the US dollar slipped to the negative territory, losing 84 points to the euro. Default in Greece may result in its exit from the euro area. On Friday, the ECB provided extra liquidity to the Greek banks as funds outflows from the deposit accounts were looked again. Meanwhile, the US dollar was affected by the Fed's announcement on Wednesday. The regulator revised the US GDP growth to the upside. The projections of interest rate hike also triggered the US dollar sales. Besides, the Swiss franc rate strengthened to the euro and the US dollar after the regulator's decision. The euro chief pair lost 0.5% to 1.0416, while the USD chief pair went down by 0.45% to 0.9172. On Thursday, the Swiss National Bank maintained the deposit rate at the record low level and reiterated to maintain its policy to ease the franc rate. That day, the Swiss franc managed to eke out around 170 points against the greenback, rising to the monthly high of 0.9174. Over the week, the franc added 108 points. Elsewhere on the commodity market, oil futures lost in price as traders were worried about the possible supply increase from Saudi Arabia. They also monitoring the talks on the Iran nuclear program. WTI July futures fell 84 cents in New York to $59.61 per barrel. The weekly decline was 0.6%. Brent oil futures for August delivery shed $1.24 in London to $63.02 per barrel. The prices were down 1.3% over the week. Meanwhile, gold showed a modest correction on Friday after a sharp jump late Wednesday. Thus, the yellow metal finished the week above the level of $1,200 per 3 ounce. Gold futures for delivery in August decreased 10 cents to $1,201.90 per 3 ounce during COMEX trading. Over the week, the prices grew 1.9%. The US dollar weakening contributed to the increase in gold prices. It was combined review in commodity and currency market on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Nidachina. Stay tuned and goodbye!